Hey guys, it's Desiree with WTI. So are you looking for a spot to be able to put your kids' books so that's easy access for them but looks great? Then check out this bookshelf from MallBest. This bookshelf has so many neat features. One thing that I like is that it has 4 of these shelves, but you're able to see the books, which I have to say makes it a lot more attractive for my toddler to come and grab a book and sit down and look. It's also easy for her to put back, which is great. But not only that, it also comes with these 2 shelves at the bottom, so I'm able to store some of her favorite toys in one shelf and some of the other books in another shelf. So everything is right here where it needs to be. And it also works well in my living room, so I'm able to have it out for an area for her to play, and it matches great with my decor. So if you're looking for something that you can put maybe in a playroom or just to have out with a space in the living room for your kids, then check out this bookshelf from MallBest. You won't regret it, but that's just my point of view.